Hi everyone. Today I'm cutting the slips off of these sweet potatoes. I've already started. I've got some here. I gotta separate these and put them in my little planters. And as soon as they take root, then I'll transplant them in with potatoes. Normally I let these go a little bit longer, but they've got some roots on them. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these off. And then I'll replant this back in and maybe I can get some more to come out of it. Probably could have let these go a little bit longer, but we got all the rain coming. I'm afraid they're going to get waterlogged and wet. I still got more growth coming out on these. So I'll replant those back in. This is one of the purple, the Japanese purple. I had several of these, but they didn't take. Just this one. I'm going to do these and reset that back in and let's see what happens. But these guys, you can tell, they were ready to be propagated and moved. Just a matter of just separating with the roots. They still got more coming out, so once I replant these, hopefully I'll get some more. In these small ones, I think I'll let them stay and I'll replant, let them get a little bit bigger. These guys have some pretty good roots on them. I think I'm going to replant this also. There's some more on the purple here. I'll replant that. See if I can get that to come out. And I'm going to replant this. These guys, like I said, still have some on there that has a root, so maybe I can get some more out of those. But for now, we'll just plant these guys. Probably in a couple of weeks I'll probably transfer these either into bigger pots or go straight on into the ground. I'll probably be able to divide more out of this once the roots get bigger, and they'll spread out, hopefully. Alright, I'm going to replant these guys back in, and maybe about a week or two, see how they do. Maybe I cut some more. But here's all the ones I've gotten. Thanks for watching.